Hi guys, so I'm finally back with another project. It has been a while since my last video. It's been quite a hectic Christmas period, and to be honest with you, I just haven't been that great at planning my projects. So anyway, my good friend Natacha has asked me to make a Montessori kitchen helper for her little girl Marina. Hi Marina. So yeah, really excited about getting that done today. Let's see how we get on. All right, so the first step, what I'm gonna do is make the two sides of the kitchen helper. So I'm gonna kind of draw the outline and everything that I need to cut out. Then I'm gonna cut all of that stuff out and then use this first piece as a stencil for the second piece. Cut those pieces out, then we'll have our two sides, and we'll go from there. So let's get on with it. All right, guys, so we got the two sides of the kitchen helper done now. So next step is going to be to use this new routing machine to route all around all of the inside edges, all of the outside edges, flip them over, do the same. I'm a little nervous because, I've never used this before and I'm so worried that something's going to go wrong and I'm going to have to redo one of these sides for a second time. And I really don't want to have to do that. So wish me luck, guys. Alright. Dude, that went really well. Alright, don't speak too soon, Matt. Don't speak too soon. Okay. So now that we've got these two pieces cut, rounded, sanded, I'm going to make the insert for the dowel. So now I'm going to use another new tool I just got. I believe these are called Forstner bits. The 25. All right, now we got to cut these down to the right size. So we'll see what this looks like, kind of dry fit. All right, nice. So this is the beginning. Well, I guess she's pretty thin because I don't think I could fit in that. Should we give it a go? Okay. All right. Uh-oh. All right, now it's time to cut the steps. And I think we're almost there. My miter saw isn't big enough to make this cut, so I have to whip out the table saw. Which on the one hand is kind of like annoying, but on the other it's like, yeah, I'm just really happy I have all of these tools and all of this equipment that I can do all of this, so. All right, so I have all of my cut pieces, all of the steps, cross pieces, the dowels, the sides. So what I've also done is I've marked out here where all of the screws are going to go. So I'm going to pre-drill all of these holes, then I'll screw everything together and we'll be ready to paint and it should be pretty much done. Time to give it a lick of paint.